Welcome to a basic demonstration of how to use the Bally energy calculator. In this example, I will show you how to set the location and also select a condensing unit to view its energy usage. To begin, you'll be prompted to choose the location in which the equipment will operate. First, select a country, then a state or province, and then choose the closest major city listed. You will see that it will then display that city's energy cost. This field can be edited if needed. Then click Continue. To add your first condensing unit, simply select the Add Condensing Unit shown here in the upper left corner. Select a model type, an application, a compressor brand, a motor type, and lastly a model number. Then click Add a Condensing Unit. With the information selected, our calculator will show you that condensing unit's estimated energy usage and operating cost based on the location you chose. You can then click the Edit button to make any adjustments, or the Trash button to remove that unit completely. Thanks for watching. In our next video, I'll demonstrate how to add a second condensing unit and compare their energy usage.